Here we divide 390 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 9. So now it became 19 and 2 times 9 means 18. On subtracting we get 1. So now again we put down the number beside this 0. So now it is 10 and 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 390 divided by 2 is 195. So this much for today and thanks for watching.